कैसे हो? आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, मैं भी अच्छा हूँ. सो टुडे आई विल शो यू 5 स्पीड training drills to improve your speed, footwork and agility. So let's go guys.
Drill number 1. This is how we set up. We place a gate with one cone. Then we place 3 cones, all 4-step gap between each cone, front of that starting gate. Then we back to third cone. Second and third cone we place 2 cones either side of those cones, another 2 step apart. So just be 2 outside cones only on 2 and 3, as you can see. First you have to run straight, then you had to do side shuffle, then come back to center, then again move forward, then again side shuffle, then back to center, then full sprint from the center, as you can see. I like to do 4 times, then rest between 20 to 30 seconds. Drill number 2, place a cone down, then I take 4-step gap, then I put small markers horizontally, as you can see. You can also put cones in markers. Then again I take 4-step gap in straight line from that gap. Again I put horizontally markers, again 4-step gap. That means we actually place 3 cones, all 4-step gap. Then again I place horizontally markers, as you can see. From horizontal gap to that cone I take 4-step gap. This time we accelerate forwards, then side shuffle, then again forwards, then side shuffle again, and exactly do with entire cones. As you can see, we covered every direction needed in football, forwards, sideway, in diagonal. I like to do about 3 to 4 sets and rest between 20 to 30 seconds. Drill number 3 is diagonal sprint. As you can see, in this drill we take 4-step gap from first cone to second cone. Again 4-step gap, second cone to third cone. From third cone to fourth cone, again 4-step gap. That means take 4-step gap between all 5 cones, as you can see. We sprint diagonally across all the cones, as you can see. Then exactly the same sprint in opposite direction when you return. Look again, I sprint diagonally, quick turn, again diagonally, quick turn, again diagonally, quick turn, and all the way back to the start, as you can see, exact same opposite direction. Do this one 3 to 4 sets, rest 20 to 30 seconds. Drill number 4 is shuttle speed. As you can see, this is how I set up. Place a cone down, then I take 5-step gap out of front cone, then take another 5-step gap, place a third cone, then 5 more step gap, a fourth cone. Then I'm gonna do is turn 90 degree, take 2-step gap across, place down a cone. Then I do is exact same thing in the opposite direction. So we start in the beginning gate, we gonna accelerate out the first gate, then turn quickly, accelerate back to the start, then we gonna go out to the second gate, then again turn quickly as possible back to the start and all the way out the final gate. So as you can see, the descent of the speed increases with each repetition. Must we get back all the way back to the start. Rest for 20 to 30 seconds, then we gonna repeat 3 sets. Last and final drill, knee up speed. As you can see, place a cone down, then I take 1-step gap to second cone to third cone, again 1-step gap, then I take 15-step gap from the front cones, then I take 2-step gap between 2 cones, as you can see. So starting in a kneeling position, then swing on arm through using that momentum to jump up our knees and land onto our feet. Then jump front, back, side to side, as you can see. Then 100% sprint from this gate to that gate, as you can see. I like to do 4 to 5 sets and a rest between 20 to 30 seconds each exercise.
So today's practice has been done. As you can see, it's very simple speed training exercise. If you do this one regularly, your performance will improve in your pitch when you play game against any opponent team. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stylish, fit and healthy. Bye.